So let's just be real about this. The average person does not want to get up in the morning, much less work out in the morning. Yet you argue this is the big opportunity.
This is the opportunity because before the day kind of swallows you, you got to show up for yourself. Just like you brush your teeth and your teeth are tiny compared to the rest of your body, you got to connect to your whole body. It deserves some time. And I'm only asking for 7 minutes. The first move that you're gonna do, you're gonna prove to yourself that you've got yourself literally, physically on one hand, okay? Look at this, girl. So here, then you're gonna take that leg back into a lunge position here, okay? So here we go, we're gonna scoop and switch your foot in lunge, okay? So scoop, lift your hips, because this is working your lower abs, and
other leg.
Okay, yeah, other leg. So you're gonna scoop, lift up, this is your working your arm, lift your hips, working your abs, plant your foot, and lunge. Good job.
I like that.
You can do 20 to 30 of these. Yes, I'm serious.
20 to 30?
Yeah, once you get good at it. But we're gonna make a difference. Okay, I feel like, are you doing it?
Yes.
Let me see this lunge. Yes, that's a lunge. Good job. And then through. Has he got it? He's got it. Okay.
I promise I have it.
All right. So then the next move, what you're gonna do is you're gonna bridge up. So it's nice to just expand through the back here. And then what we're gonna do is dip back down. And then again, on your arm, you're gonna lift up and you're gonna kick your leg to the ceiling, okay? Back down. These are weight transfers. So when you're using your own body as resistance and transferring your weight, you know, a lot of people don't want to get up off the couch. This is like proof that no matter what happens in your day, you can get up.
Weight transfers. I love this.
Yeah, we're transferring the weight and lifting. Good job. Okay, ready for another one? Okay, so we're gonna do a push-up. Are you ready?
I like this. Yeah, it's good.
Okay. A push-up. So just a regular push-up. Drop back down, and then you're gonna roll to your back and kick your legs straight up to the ceiling. Stretch through the back of your knees. Roll back around, push up. So you're getting your heart rate going. Roll and lift, right?
I love these transfers, I tell you.
Yep. Because they're a little abstract, but they help with momentum. So they require you to really know where your body is traveling in space. And I like for you to get really good at distributing your own energy, okay? So the next one, we're gonna start here, and we're gonna take a leg back, another leg back into a plank. Then we're gonna take the inside leg and place it in, and then we're gonna stand up. So it's really inconvenient to stand up from there. We're using the glute and the abs. So back down, down, inside foot, and lift and stand up. Yeah?
Do one more of those, okay.
Just proving that no matter what happens in your day, you also can just get up, right? You can handle it.
You guys doing okay back there?
Down,
These are not as straightforward as they sound.
I think you're believing that you can burn a little sweat in 7 minutes. Okay, good job. And then for the last one, all I want you to do is get into a lunge position, and you're gonna hold you're gonna basically clench that booty, right?
I got mine,
And then we're gonna bring one leg in. So the leg is like a lever of resistance against your hip and your glute, and your arm is working. And
how do you come up with these crazy ideas?
oh my gosh, I mean, I've been doing this for like 15 years.
Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah. You feel it, right?
I love that.
Yay!
I really do love this.
Good job.
The high five, way up there, way up there. I've wanted to do that for so long. You know what I like about it?
What?
You have the transfers, you have us getting our muscles a little confused.
Exactly.
They got to pay attention.
Yes.
You can tell I'm out of breath. I'm in pretty good shape in less than 7 minutes. You
Yep.
do 7 minutes. In fact, you
Because
all
your
do.
brain is involved.
Because your brain's
Has to
involved.
be.
We're gonna put the 7-minute workout on DrOz.com. All the moves, how to do them, how to get them right. Take advantage of it, everybody. And Tracy's got a brand new streaming real-time workout video. That's an example of it on DrOz.com. Put them there as well. We'll be right back. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.